Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to today's video. So I wasn't planning on doing this video, but I thought, why not? I have plenty of goodies here to share with you guys. So this is kind of like a what I got for Christmas, except this is just like makeup and skincare that I got for Christmas, because if I did what I got for Christmas, you guys would be here all day long. So I got clothes and all kinds of other like really cool knickknacks. The first thing I want to do is thank my amazing friend slash sister, Tashina, because she got me a mic for my camera for Christmas, and that is one thing that I had been really wanting. But I also have to thank my mom because she got me one too, although I am going to be returning it because it's the same exact microphone. I just would like to say thank you, Mom, and thank you to Sheena for really helping me continue to reach my goals and push forward. This is so exciting, so I hope my sound quality is A1 for you guys. So this is going to be the last video with the Christmas backdrop, because as of tonight I am taking it down since it is the new year. So happy new year, you guys. Welcome to 2018. We are going to have some fun this year. It's going to be amazing, and I have so many videos planned for you guys. Some videos that I hadn't gotten a chance to get into in 2017 because the end of the year just went very, very quickly for me. And yeah, I have a rough time around the holidays, so I took a lot of time off from filming. I took probably 8 days off from filming, so I do apologize to you guys for that, but we are back at it. So without further ado, I'm gonna stop blabbering on and let's get into the makeup and skincare that I got for Christmas. Got my wine. If you're a wine drinker, get your wine. I know my glass looks nasty. It's lip gloss that I'm wearing. If you're not a wine drinker, get your coffee, get your tea, sit back, relax, and enjoy. So first things first, there are a couple products that I did buy for myself because, you know, like after Christmas, makeup and products like that are on sale, which is bomb. So I got this limited edition Great Brilliant Bright Eyes Real Techniques set, and this set was like $3, so I couldn't pass it up. You get your base shadow brush, deluxe crease brush, brow highlight, small detailer, precision for inner corners, or you cut your crease, a pencil sharpener, and a little tiny like blender to sweep away the mistakes, or to blend right up underneath the eyes. And you guys know how much I love Real Techniques blending beauty blenders and brushes. And then I got this entire Real Techniques kit. I already did take the brushes out because I gave my friend Tashina the little detailer brush from out of here, but it did come with some wedge sponges, which they look like this, and this helps to blend underneath the eye or set underneath the eye. I did keep the foundation brush because you guys know how much I love these, and I did keep the contour brush, but I don't use this for contour. I use this for highlight or to help me blend everything out. And I got this in my goodie bag from the Holiday Beauty Exchange. My mom hosted it this year, and she put together some amazing goodie bags. Now this set right here is the set and This is the set and spotlight brush. So this is to set underneath your eyes or to blend, and then you can put on your highlight, which I'm only going to use this for a highlight brush. This set came from Tashina, and this is a strobe and blend brush. So I assume you blend with this and then you would highlight with this, but I like this brush to actually contour my nose, because it gets look at that, it fits perfectly in there. And this is really good for helping to blend everything out. I don't know, I just like the brush. I just like the way that they look. They're so pretty. So I went to Target and pretty much cleaned up in there. I found this brush set right here, originally $7, and I got it for $2. I don't even know the brand. I just know that they're really soft. And you guys know how I feel about a good blending brush. And I did pick up this set for a future giveaway. I'm already planning my next giveaway. Next up, I got this Lunar Moon Cherimoya So Extra Crystal Crush Liquid Glitter. It's really pretty, so we're going to give it a swatch here. This is $5. I actually got it at Hot Topic, but they had a sale. It was buy one, get one. I just ripped the package. They had a sale. It was buy one, get one, 30% off on their makeup. And I think their clearance was buy one, get one free or something like that. Buy one, get one $1, whatever that sale was. But yeah, I figured why not see what this is about. So I like the doe foot applicator already. I don't know, this doesn't look too promising. I might give this to Selena. Doesn't really have a scent. It looks really highlighty, but it also looks really patchy. So like when you blend it in, it looks like a highlight. See? Well, it says it's for your eyes and lips, but it says it's a... Oh, eyeshadow, highlight, or lip topper. So it looks like it's a little bit of both. It is pretty. It would make for a good highlight if it doesn't pick up the product that you already have on your face. I'm just gonna see. It is pretty, but it did pick up a little bit of my foundation, so I don't know about that. Well, that's alright. I think I'll pass it along to my daughter. She likes all this glittery stuff. So moving right along, I got another one of these LA Color Fine Line felt tip liners, and this one is in dark blue. You guys know I like my colored liquid liners just as much as I like my black. It turns out I have been sleeping on the LA Girl liners because these are so pretty and so pigmented. Beautiful color. I really like that. Just making a bigger swatch there so you guys can see it really good. That's pretty. Well, I can't wait to use that guy. I also got, because I got an Ulta gift card from a friend, so I picked up this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner, and this is in the shade Spandex. And if you guys can see it, I do have it right above my liquid liner that I'm wearing today. It's really super pretty. You do have to build it up so it looks like that. I know I'm late to the party on these. I was sleeping on them. Everybody was saying they were good, and I just hadn't decided to try one out yet. Next up, I found Bella Pierre at Hot Topic, and look at all these glitters. Whew. Y'all know how much I love glitter. It is like every single color glitter. You get 9 glamorous glitters, and I like that they're stacked up like this. Obviously, I'm not going to open it because it's not going to stick to anything, but you guys can see here, like, you get a lot of glitters, and they're really pretty. And I got this Rose Gold Perfusions Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. Now, if you guys remember my Get Ready With Me video with my mom, you guys seen that I got one of these sets that comes with the pigment and the liquid eyeshadow, which as you guys can see, they really remind me of the Stila Magnificent Metals because you can blend them out and they dry down. I got that kit from my beauty exchange person, which super exciting because you guys know how much I like the eyeliner that it comes with, the Perfusions liquid eyeliner. They need to sell those separately and not just put them in the kits. Now I did buy, as I dropped that on the ground, I did buy a kit for the giveaway, but anyways, that's the pressed powder right there. Super, super pretty. So my next giveaway, one of those Perfusion sets will be in there. And in my, like, goodie bag, I want to call it a swag bag. My holiday swag bag, I got this highlighting powder in Brilliant. Really pretty. Like, it is so pretty. It's like a rose gold, kind of. Can you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there next to the LA Girls liner. Right there. And it's so smooth. And this is from Jasmine L. Bell Cosmetics. I don't know, I've never heard of them. I believe it was found at Burlington. Then I got this Real Techniques Miracle Sculpting Sponge. It was like $2, but look at the shape of this sponge. I'm going to take it out of this pack so you guys can see it. I was very intrigued by that because I do think that Katrina got the Real Techniques brush kit too in her holiday swag bag, but hers was different, and I believe she got the sponge. Like, look at the shape of it. Really interesting, huh? It's got like the smooth side and then right here, so it looks like you can really get in that inner corner and really like blend. Oh, I just cannot wait to use this little guy. So cute, but it looks like it's going to do an amazing job. And then for one of my gifts from the Beauty Exchange, I got this Perfusions Sultry 24 Shadow eyeshadow palette. And as you guys can see, I've already made some dents in these shades right here. I did wear them on Christmas, but Ella is such a unique shadow. If I can get my finger in here, it's such a unique shadow. It's very like mermaidy, iridescent. You guys probably can't even see that on my freaking finger. I'm gonna swatch it, but I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but it reflects like blue, purple, green. It's just really pretty. So I swatched it right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is just gorgeous, and the camera doesn't do it any justice. But I just want you guys to see like royalty, this shade right here. So I'm just going to give it a little swatch, pick up some shadow, and I'm going to swatch it on my hand for you guys. Look at that. So pigmented and so pretty. Like, I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on Perfusions because their makeup is really, really pretty, really pigmented, and it's also affordable if you're on a budget. So in my stocking at my mom's house, I got this Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Quad. And you guys know TJ Maxx is where this was found. So this one is Rust. Oh no, one of my shadows broke. That sucks. Okay, so that guy broke. But anyways, this is just like a little travel-friendly go-to eyeshadow palette. I really like it. This will be kind of like an eyeshadow palette that if I'm just quick on the go, just need to throw on some makeup, I'll use this guy. So I really do like it. I also got one of the Too Faced Melted Chocolate liquid lipsticks, and this is Metallic Candy Bar. Actually, this is just the melted metallic lipstick. It's not a liquid lipstick. It does not dry down, but they are pretty long wearing. So it's like a kind of like a glossy situation. Really pretty. Oh, it smells so good. I do already have some of these, and I got this guy, which is Villain. Again, these were found at Marshall's. The Kat Von D was found at TJ Maxx. Running out of places to swatch. Look at that. Look at that color. It smells like candy. So pretty, you guys. Lastly, in my stocking, I got this Smashbox Cover Shot Golden Hour Eye Palette, and this was found at TJ Maxx. I did have one of these that I reviewed for you guys a while back, but I ended up giving it away because I didn't use it very often, but this will be like another go-to, just quick use eyeshadow palette. So pretty. And from my Beauty Exchange person, I got this Comfort Matte Amulet Vice Liquid Lipstick. And if you guys did any shopping at Ulta, then you guys seen that these actually went on sale for $9. And I think they went on sale on the website too for $9. But this is the color here. Very pretty berry tone. And then I picked up this NYX, this is new, Strictly Vinyl Eyeliner, and it's red. And you guys know I like a good colored eyeliner, especially red. I end up using a lot of liquid lipstick to get the color that I want, but this is really pretty. And I found it at Ulta for like $6.99. Right there. Look at that pigment. So pretty. You guys see that? So pretty. And also in my gift bag from the Beauty Exchange, I got Mario Badescu Cucumber Tonic Mask, and I got the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. So that's a nice set. And as a gift, I got this Kat Von D Metal Crush Highlight Palette which I haven't even touched it. I just grabbed the box and I like took a sneak peek at it, but we were rushing to get to my mom's. Oh my goodness, you guys, so pretty. That pink is life. These are pretty. You know, it's one of those things that you don't think you need in your collection, and then you get it as a gift and you go, okay, especially since I love highlights, this is really pretty. So, I mean, they are just glittery and my type of highlighter. So I'm really excited to give that a try. Next up, I got this Too Faced Season 2 Sparkles, and I think this was like a holiday set, Snow Fairy Tinsel wrapped in pink and Starry Nights, and then I also got another glitter glue. You guys know how much I love my Too Faced glitter glue, so that's really pretty. Again, not going to take that out of the pack because it's glitter. And I got this Cherimoya So Extra Glow Kit, Illuminate Highlight, and you get a brush, which is really cute. So let's see what this looks like. Look at how cute this little brush is. It's so cute. Gotta be honest with you guys, I'll probably give this brush to Selena. Like, this is like not a brush that I would personally use, but it is very cute. So these are the highlight shades. Let me get a little swap. Ooh, I was not expecting that to be so creamy, like to be so buttery. Again, really pretty, really pigmented. Cherimoya is also a really good brand that people tend to sleep on because they just think, oh, it's cheap, and so it's not going to be good, but look at that. So, so pretty. So yeah, that's, oh, one more thing. I also got this Equal Tools Total Perfecting Blender, and I got this gray one because I have the green one and it's a little hard, so I want to try out the gray one. It does seem a little dense too, but we will see. It was only like $2, so why not try it out? But yes, that's it, you guys. That's everything that I got as far as like makeup. I did get some lashes, but I took them off upstairs, so I think they're like sticking to my dresser, if we're going to be honest. But yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you guys are enjoying your New Year's. Currently, while you guys are watching this, I am feasting down on some seafood. And yes, I am filming it. I know, something different, something weird. But hey, some people like to see other people eat. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on all social media, which is linked down below. And don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys had a great holiday, and I hope you guys are enjoying your new year. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.